Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Colourpop X Powerpuff Girls full collection. If you do want to see a review and a demo, then please keep watching. As a huge favor, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment anything down below. I greatly appreciate it. I read all the comments and I'll do my best to reply back. I purchased the full collection on Ulta's website. I do want to read a little bit about this collection on Ulta's website. Released mega powers with this full collection of Powerpuff Girls from Colourpop. The original price for this entire collection was $115. It's currently on sale for $80.50. I used a $10 off coupon, so I only paid $70 and change for this collection. Let's go ahead and open this up. Everything came packaged in this plastic bag. Let's see what we have inside. The first item is this roller gloss kit. It's called The Day Is Saved. Beautiful packaging. And then here's what the back looks like. Let's open this up. Look at the details on the inside. It's so pretty. Here's what the 3 roller glosses look like in this set. I love the details on the packaging. Here's what Blossom looks like. A Blossom on here, and on the cap they added extra detailing as well. Really nice. This is a roller gloss. This smells like watermelon. It smells really yummy. I'm pretty sure these roller glosses are clear. Yes, they are clear. Let's see what the formula feels like applied on the lips. This gloss has a little bit of shine to it, but as I press my lips together, I'm not getting any stickiness from this gloss. It's so weird. I love the formula. It smells really good too. I'm on Colourpop's website. These glosses are currently on sale for $5. The original value was $24. This is a great deal. I do want to read a little bit about these glosses. It says, get shine without the stickiness with this powerful trio of lightweight glosses infused with jojoba oil and vitamin E to moisturize lips for a softer pout and spiked with a yummy fruity flavor. Set includes watermelon flavored Blossom. I was spot on with the scent. I knew it was watermelon. It goes on to say blue raspberry tang flavored Bubbles and green apple flavored Buttercup. These glosses have 5 stars out of 84 reviews. That's amazing. I love this formula. It feels so comfortable on the lips and non-sticky at all. I won't be trying the other 2 roller glosses. They're clear shades, so you can't really see it. I do want to smell the other glosses. Definitely apples. I'm not getting a green apple. It just smells like plain apple. For the bubble scent, they said it smells like blue raspberry. Let's see if they're accurate. It smells more like blueberry than blue raspberry. It smells good anyways. $5, it's a great deal on Colourpop's website. The only thing is that their shipping takes forever. It takes at least 1 month for the product to get to me, and I live in Florida. Colourpop's headquarters is based in LA, so I'm not that far away, and it still takes 1 month. I'm pretty sure the other 2 scents will have the same formula as the Blossom. This is a great formula. Let's see what's up next in the bag. So we have these hair clips. This is what each of them look like. Let's play with the Buttercup. Here we have the Buttercup hair clips. Here's what the back looks like. Let's try these out. I'm not really a hair clip person, but these are cute. I like them. Here's what the Blossom and Bubbles hair clips look like. Let's see what's up next in the bag. We have a bubble bath bar. I love the details on the packaging. Colourpop nailed it. Here's what the back of the packaging looks like. This one is called the Bomb. Here's what the top looks like, and here's the bottom. The details on the inside of the packaging, Colourpop killed it. It's beautiful. Here's what the bath bomb looks like. I'm not a bath time person, I'm more of a shower person. This smells really good. I can smell it through the plastic. I might be taking a bath tonight, you never know, just to try it out. The bath bomb is currently on sale on Colourpop's website for $5. It normally retailed for $9 on their website. Let's see what we have next up in the bag. We have these 2 blushes. Comes bubble wrap. This blush shade is called Saving the World. So cute. Look at the details on the packaging. Really pretty. And of course the details on the inside, so pretty. Here's what the actual blush looks like. Here's the back, so cute. It comes with a mirror. Here's what the blush shade looks like. This is more of a peach. I'm glad this is a matte blush shade. So pretty. Taking a clean blush brush, let's dip into this peachy shade. That blush shade is gorgeous. On Colourpop's website, both blush shades are on sale for $5. They normally retail for $12. Let's see what the other blush shade looks like. Again, it's wrapped up in this bubble wrap. This blush shade is called Fighting Crime. So cute. I love the details on the inside of the packaging. Here we have Fighting Crime, and then we have Saving the World. Really cute details. Up at the top you have the shade name. It's called Fighting Crime. Then again on the back, the shade name. Glad that this is a matte blush. Wow, super pigmented once again. Taking a clean blush brush, we're gonna see what this bright fuchsia looks like. This blush shade is vibrant. Definitely go in with a light hand. I'm gonna apply a little bit more of the blush shade on this side, that way we're all evened out. I toned down the blush a little bit using my damp beauty blender, and I mixed in a little bit of the peach blush shade. Both blushes are very pigmented. Definitely go in with a light hand with the pinkier blush. The peach shade is great for every day. Let's see what's next in the bag. The next three items are these three color sticks. We have Mojo Jojo, we have Princess Morbucks, and Him. Really cute packaging. Again, Colourpop nailed it with the details in the packaging. Really pretty. Up at the top you have the shade name. Again, this is called Mojo Jojo. And then here's what the back looks like. Let's see what the inside looks like. Oh my goodness. There's little Mojo Jojos printed on the inside. How cute. Here's what the color stick looks like. It's a green metallic. Here's what the Princess Morbucks looks like. Again, Colourpop nailed it on the details. Again, look at little Princess on the inside. That's adorable. Here we have a blue shade. Another metallic color stick. Really pretty. Lastly, we have Him. And again, the details on the inside. Colourpop did great. Here we have the red shade. Here's what all three color sticks look like. Really pretty. I'm glad that Colourpop added the villains as well in this collection. The color sticks are also on sale on Colourpop's website for $5. They normally retail for $7 a piece. We have two more products in the bag. Next up, we have the Ultra Superpowers Lip Mask Duo. Here's what the back looks like. This is by Fourth Ray Beauty. This is by Colourpop's sister brand. Again, the packaging is really cute. Both items are lip masks. In the pink container you have a regular lip mask, and in the blue container it's an overnight lip mask. The blue one is called Sugar and Spice. The pink one is called Everything Nice. What the inside of the lip mask looks like. The blue one has more of a vanilla scent. The pink lip mask has more of a fruity scent. Both of them smell really good. On Colourpop's website they describe the blue one as a vanilla chai. It basically smells like vanilla. The pink scent, they describe it as funfetti cake. It could be funfetti. It's very sweet. I'll try this lip mask duo later on today, and I will leave below in the description box how it does perform. Last but not least, we have the eyeshadow palette. Again, it's bubble wrapped. Here's what the actual eyeshadow palette looks like. It's a little bit thicker than their previous palettes. Here's what the back looks like. Very cute. I like how the shade names are inside of little stars. Let's open this up. Oh my goodness, again, Colourpop did it. The little details, it always gets me every time. This palette is much bigger than their previous palette. I have the Sailor Moon palette right here, and you can see it's thicker compared to the Powerpuff one. The Sailor Moon palette doesn't have a mirror, maybe that's why. But still, this one's a little bit bigger for Colourpop in my opinion. Let's see what the inside looks like. It comes with a decent sized mirror. Here's what the shades look like on the inside. I was looking up the shade names on Colourpop's website, and this eyeshadow palette is currently on sale for $5. Yes, $5 for this palette. Hopefully the quality is good because that's a great price. The original price was $22. Let's start swatching. The first shade in the palette is called Townsville. Very super soft in the pan. Townsville is described as a warm, sparkling pearl. I'm gonna go over it. I went back and forth on the back of my hand, and that's how I was able to build up the pigment. I'm not a huge fan of these chunky glitter shadows. The next shade is called Professor Utonium. Again, very soft in the pan. Professor Utonium is described as a metallic icy baby pink. Beautiful shade. The next shade is called the Mayor. The Mayor is described as a metallic sparkling peach. The last shade in the top row is called Crime Fighting. Crime Fighting is described as a matte warm beige. I'm going to build up that shadow. Much better. The first shade in the second row is called Pokey Oaks. Pokey Oaks is described as a matte muted coral rose. That shade is so pretty. Next to Pokey Oaks, we have Frenemy. Frenemy is described as a bright metallic duochrome coral gold. That shade is gorgeous. Next up, we have Chemical X. Chemical X is described as a metallic intense chartreuse. The last shade in the second row is called Super Friends. Super Friends is described as a bright opalescent sky blue. That shade is stunning, but I'm not a huge fan of this formula. The first shade in the bottom row is called Girls Rock. Girls Rock is described as a matte bright coral. That is very vivid. Next to Girls Rock, we have the Fashionistas. The second to last shade in the palette is called Silo. Silo is described as a matte pastel lime. I wanted that green to be a little bit more pigmented than it is. Let's build it up with a second coat. Much better. The last shade in the palette is called Rowdy Rough Boys. I'm going to swatch the last shade right here at the very top. That's beautiful. Rowdy Rough Boys is described as a matte pastel sky blue. I'm going to go over it once more. Here we have all 12 shades swatched on the back of my hand. Now we're going to create a look using this palette. Taking a clean fluffy brush, I'm going to dip into the shade in Crime Fighting, going back and forth in the crease with this shadow. That shade matches my skin tone. Let's see what a different shadow looks like. First, let me make sure we're all evened out. I'm going to be doing the same thing for the other eye. Using that same fluffy brush, I'm going to dip into this matte green shadow, going back and forth in the crease with this shade. I'm going to take a little bit of the matte blue using that same brush. I'm going to go right below the matte green, again going back and forth using windshield wiper motion. Using my finger, I'm going to be applying the shadow in Chemical X all over the lid. Wow, that shade in Chemical X is beautiful. I'm getting a little bit of fallout. I'm going to clean that up a little bit later on. Using a clean flat brush, going back in with the shadow in Chemical X, going over any patches my fingertip may have missed. Taking a pointed pencil brush, we're going to dip into the shadow in the Mayor. Apply that in my inner corner. That gave the eye look a little bit of pop. I'm going to do the other eye and I'll be right back for my final thoughts. For mascara, I'm going to apply the Essence Lash Princess. I applied the green color stick in Mojo Jojo on the right side of my eye and I loved how it turned out. Here's what it looks like with the metallic glitter and without. You can definitely notice a difference. I'm going to be doing the same thing for the other eye. Lips, I'm going to apply the Buttercup Roller Gloss. I can definitely smell the green apple now. It smells like a green Jolly Rancher. I love it. Here's what everything looks like. The only thing I don't like in this palette are the two pressed glitter shades. This shade in Super Friends and Townsville are pressed glitters. They tend to irritate my eyes. I wish Colourpop would have added a different formula, but I really do like the shades in this palette. They are so pretty. My favorite items in this collection are the roller glosses. They're not sticky at all and super shiny, and I really did love both blush shades. We'll continue to use the color sticks. These are really good. The hair clips are nice as well. I just wish it didn't say Colourpop on it. It takes away from the actual characters. The bath bomb you can only use once. I wish they would have added a limited edition packaging mascara for this collection. I think that would have been really cool. I'll definitely keep you updated on the lip mask duo. Let me know in the comments down below which Powerpuff Girl is your favorite. Mine, of course, is Buttercup. I used to like Bubbles when I was younger, but now I really enjoy Buttercup. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.